Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 15th of December. Let's have a look at cable now, which continues to sort of make a few choppy moves really. I mean, it is arguably forming a downtrend phase with this sort of run of lower highs, but it's sort of recovered a little bit, and you've still got a positive bias, you would argue, on the momentum indicators, with the RSI basically holding up above 50, MACD lines holding up above neutral, and the stochastics also turning up. So there is still a positive bias, and you're sort of back above this 33.35 basis of support. But yesterday's candles and today's move has just slightly lost impetus from Wednesday's strong bull candle. And as I said, there is this hint of a run of lower highs, which you can see here on the hourly chart. And the market is sort of back towards a sort of a bit of a neutral area, really. If it can hold up above 34 figure as a support, then you'd say that there is a nice sort of basis to work with there. It's a bit of a pivot, sort of 34 figure to 34.15 area. It's a bit of a pivot in the last couple of days. Or last couple of weeks, I should say, and it is, as I said, holding up above that. So watch out for that. But a breakdown below 33.90 would be a bit of a top out, and you'd see these momentum indicators. They are dropping away. So perhaps cable is under a little bit of more corrective pressure than the hourly chart is giving you credit for, and the sort of the market is beginning to sort of drop back, but yeah, it's still fairly neutral. Market is really sort of looking for the next catalyst. It hasn't really got one yet, and I think it's probably going to come with a bit of tax reform news from the States. Maybe a bit of Brexit update today could give this chart a bit of a jig, but yeah, I think at the moment we're fairly neutral and sort of waiting for the next catalyst. So I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later.